إن الله لا يستحيي أن يضرب مثلا ما بعوضة فما فوقها فأما الذين آمنوا فيعلمون أنه الحق من ربهم وأما الذين كفروا فيقولون ماذا أراد الله بهذا مثلا يضل به كثيرا ويهدي به كثيرا وما يضل به إلا الفاسقين.
Behold, Allah is not ashamed to propound the parable of a gnat, or even of something more lowly. On hearing these parables, the believers know that it is the truth from their Lord. While those bent on denying the truth say, "What does Allah mean by these parables?" Thus He causes many to go astray, just as He directs many to the right way. And He thereby causes to go astray only the transgressors.
الذين ينقضون عهد الله من بعد ميثاقه ويقطعون ما أمر الله به أن يوصل ويفسدون في الأرض أولئك هم الخاسرون.
Who break the covenant of Allah after its firm binding, and cut asunder what Allah has commanded to be joined, and spread mischief on earth, they are the utter losers.
كيف تكفرون بالله وكنتم أمواتا فأحياكم ثم يميتكم ثم يحييكم ثم إليه ترجعون.
How can you be ungrateful to Allah who bestowed life upon you when you were lifeless? Then He will cause you to die and will again bring you back to life so that you will be returned to Him.
هو الذي خلق لكم ما في الأرض جميعا ثم استوى إلى السماء فسواهن 7 سماوات وهو بكل شيء عليم.
It is He who created for you all that is on earth and then turned above and fashioned it into 7 heavens. He knows all things.
وَإِذْ قَالَ رَبُّكَ لِلْمَلَائِكَةِ إِنِّي جَاعِلٌ فِي الْأَرْضِ خَلِيفَةً قَالُوا أَتَجْعَلُ فِيهَا مَن يُفْسِدُ فِيهَا وَيَسْفِكُ الدِّمَاءَ وَنَحْنُ نُسَبِّحُ بِحَمْدِكَ وَنُقَدِّسُ لَكَ قال إني أعلم ما لا تعلمون.
Just think when your Lord said to the angels, "Lo, I am about to place a vicegerent on earth." They said, "Will you place on it one who will spread mischief and shed blood, while we celebrate your glory and extol your holiness?" He said, "Surely I know what you do not know."